GoPro start recording. Hey y'all, I got fish on for sure. Woo! Yeah, he feels like a pretty good one. Woo! These spotted bass are keeping me busy. They're not my target fish, but I'll be honest with you, they're fun. Well, yeah, feels like a good one. Feels like a good one. There he goes. Yes. Good fish. Staying down, yeah. Here he goes. Whoa! Man. Man, oh, it broke my heart. Oh, he got off. That was a big one.
Oh, my income is sure not outcome. When Friday rolls around, I'm broken in some. What I'm making, somebody's taking. Now here I go, a little further in the hole.
Hey, good morning y'all. This is Pastor Murray and today is February 15th, 2023. And we are fishing Lake Russell on the Savannah River Lakes, located between Georgia and South Carolina. And we are fishing for trophy stripers. That's our target fish. We have a goal this year of catching a 30-pound plus striper from the kayak. Last year I caught a 25-pounder and a 22-pounder. This year I'm hoping to catch 30 plus pounds. That's my goal, but whether we meet that or not, we're gonna have fun trying because we love to catch these stripers. They are few and far in between in this lake, but if you hang on to one, you got a sleigh ride. So we hope we get a sleigh ride today. Air temperature this morning is 43 degrees. The water temperature is no wind. It's like glass out here. It's partly cloudy. Some showers are supposed to be moving in later on this morning. So with the overcast, should be a good day to pull some planer boards and a Redi Rig and maybe a free line or so. But we are fishing with live rainbow trout, 6-inch rainbow trout, and also 5 to 6 inch blueback herring. So we are getting set up, and we'll check back with you after we start pulling the planer boards. Wish me luck. God bless. Thank you so much for fishing with me today, and I hope you enjoy. Been on the water since before daylight. Pulling planer boards. I've got 2 planer boards on my right and 1 on my left, and I'm also pulling 1 Redi Rig behind me. Redi Rig is 100 feet behind the kayak. We are fishing with live rainbow trout and live blueback herring. It's a beautiful day. The lake right now is almost like glass. It's cloudy, overcast. Sun will be coming up in a few minutes, and should be a great day of fishing. GoPro start recording. Hey y'all, getting a hit. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes. Fish on, fish on. Woo! Let's see what he is. Doesn't feel like a striper. But let's see what he is. Woo! See what we have here. He's staying down, that's for sure. Oh wow, good spotted bass, y'all. This is a good fish. Woo! Wow. Yes, sir. Good spotted bass here. Let's see if we can get him around and show him to you here. Yes, sir. Awesome, man. We got the skunk out of the boat. Got one of the green fish. Hey y'all, just want to show this to you. Good, probably 3 pound, 4 pound bass. Beautiful fish, and we're gonna let him go. Awesome! Woo! GoPro style. GoPro. Woo! I got another fish on here, y'all. Wow! Man, awesome! Wow, we got into him. Man, oh man, oh man. Doesn't feel like a striper, but he's a pretty good fish. Let's see. Yeah, another good spotted bass. Let's see if we can get out here and keep the lines from getting tangled up. But picked up 2 of them right here. So, wow, that's a benefit. Man, another good one. Woo. One right up here. Yes, sir. Show this one to you. Beautiful fish. Get that circle hook out. Woo! Ha ha! Woo! 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 Beautiful. So we're gonna let him go. So we'll drop him in the water here, and there he goes. Awesome! Woo! Hey y'all, just want to show you the spread on these planer boards. I've got one. The furthest one is about 65 feet out, 60 feet from the kayak, and the closer one, the front one, is about 35 feet out. You know, we're running the bank, one close to the bank. Might be a little bit early this time of year in this particular area of the lake to be trying this, but you don't know until you try. Sometimes, you know, the timing might be off by a few weeks or so, but you know, we know there are fish in here and there's some bait, and so there should be some big stripers cruising along, and we hope to pick one up. So I just want to show you that spread, and we'll keep hoping that one of these planer boards is gonna get the bait's gonna get hit. We hear that drag scream off. GoPro, start recording. Man, think I got a fish on. Oh no. Yeah, got one on. No, I don't. And something happened. Well, go. Oh wow, do have one on behind me. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show you this J move that I'm making. I don't know how big this fish is. Don't know if it's a striper or not. Doesn't feel like it, but I'm making a J move so I keep the line in front of me and don't get crossed up with my others. So it feels like a spotted bass. Actually, I must have went through a school of them because I had 2 hits right off the bat. Bop, bop. So, yeah, good spotted bass. I'll try to be a little bit better with this one as far as not rushing him. Get him in the boat so we can look at it and then let him go. Decent, really good spotted bass. Whoop, whoop. Look at this fish. Wow. He's just barely hooked. But we get him in the kayak. Show him to you. What a beautiful fish. Wow, look at there. Well, you know, we're catching some fish. It might not be the target fish, but it's definitely a secondary fish, a good fish, and a lot of fun. So we've got some current in the river now, probably about 1.5 miles per hour current, so which is good. The bite's turning on. So we'll let him go. But awesome! Whoop whoop! Here he goes. Uh-oh. Hey, y'all, I got another fish on. Letting one go and got another one on. We must be in the school of them. Feels like another spotted bass here. Wow. Let's see what he looks like. Wow. Look at there, y'all. 2 at a time almost. Woo. Spotted bass bonanza. Wow, they like this current and this part of the lake. Wow, look at there. Wow, look at that fish. Woo! Come on in, buddy. Come on in. Let's see if we can get him. Here we go. Wow, man, these fish are traveling in packs. They are traveling in packs, I say. Woo! We were just drifting a little bit, so, and that one hit while I was releasing the other one. So a pack of spotted bass. Awesome! Whoop, whoop, whoop! We're gonna let him go. Go here. Here he goes. Awesome. GoPro, start recording. Hey y'all, I think I got another one on. Woo! Feels like another spotted bass, so feels like a good one though. I'm gonna keep going straight with him. He's not gonna turn me around. So got this current, this kayak pointed in the current. Woo! He feels like a good fish, y'all. He feels like a good one. Woo! Awesome. Unexpected surprise today, for sure. And you know, this feels like really a good fish. Wow, man. Good, spotted bass here. Hope you can see him. We'll see if we can bring him around. And get him in the net. Woo! Man! Woo! Ha ha! They travel in packs. I know schools. These are like hunting packs of spotted bass. I mean, they are on the move, and they are hungry. So, see if I can catch up a little bit and get this guy back in the water. Man, they're keeping me busy, a good busy. Wow. Woo. Let's get him out here and show him to you. The good about a 2.5 to 3 pound bass. He felt a lot larger than that. So awesome. Whoop whoop whoop. Ha ha. And we're gonna let him go. There he goes. Awesome. Whoop whoop whoop. GoPro, start recording. Hey y'all, I think I might have a striper on here. I don't know, I got a fish, I know that. See what we can do. Wow, just had to let that one go. And man, he nailed it. Wow. And we're doing the J move just in case. More than likely it's a good spotted bass. So we're just gonna try to get out in front of these lines so we don't get tangled up. Wow, man, these guys are hungry this morning. Woo! Ha ha! Man, oh man, oh man! Woo-hoo! Look at that fish fight! Woo! Man, unexpected surprise, I'll say. Look at there. Wow, hear the geese coming through. It's beautiful to be out here in God's creation today. This is the biggest one yet. This is a good spotted bass. Oh man, man, oh man, oh man. Woo! I can't keep bait on. I mean, that's how hungry they are. I can't keep the bait on. That's a good problem to have. I'm not complaining, believe me. Wow, look at there. Woo! Ha ha! Woo! Woo! Let's get him back in the water. Now, some of you are gonna say I'm catching the same fish, but this is a larger one. Woo! Here he goes. Get him back in. Wow. What a blessing. I think I got another fish on because that is definitely going a weird direction here. Yeah, I think I got a fish on. I saw that cork go under. Woo! Woohoo! Y'all! Hell! I got into a pack of fish. Pack of them. Here he comes. Woo! Man! Oh wow! Woo! This is a good spotted bass, y'all. I'm gonna bring him around to the front of the boat. Try to. Woo! Yeah, I saw that Redi Rig go down, and sure enough, and you're gonna see what I mean. I'm talking about a pack. Look how big that rascal is. He's huge. Wow. Look at that fish. Wow. Okay. Yes, sir. Woo! Look at that. Beautiful spotted bass. Woo! Ah. Man, oh man, oh man. Woo! Look! Wow! Y'all, this is fun. This is fun. This is worth getting up at 4 a.m. Wow! Whoop, whoop, whoop! We're gonna let him go. Okay, I've got 3 out of 4 lines out of the water. 3 fish. That's just awesome. 3 out of 4 lines got hit, one right after the other. Get one in and the other one was getting hit. So that's pretty awesome. Every day's a good day to go fishing, and some days you even catch fish. And when you do, it doesn't get any better than that. Thanks be to God for the blessing of being out here in this beautiful creation today and experiencing catching fish, hearing the geese, seeing seagulls and ospreys and all the things going on, and feeling so alive and so refreshed. Thanks be to God. Amen. Hey y'all, I think I got a fish on. Probably a spotted bass. Not really running hard, but it's fish. Woo! We glad to have him on. Come along for the ride. And wow, feels like a respectable spotted bass is my guess. There might be something else. Yeah, awesome. Good looking spotted bass. Don't want to horse him in. Would like to get him in the kayak here. Woo! Look at there. Yes, that's about a 4-pounder. Good fish. Man, he's got a belly on him. Let her go back to where she came from. Well, it was really hooked good. Circle hook, circle through twice. Here it is. Look at there. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Ha ha. Beautiful fish. Wow, what a blessing. So we're gonna let him go. And there he goes. Woo! Still waiting for that big strapper, but we're glad to catch these spotted bass. Wow, been a good morning for him. Awesome! GoPro stop recording. Hey y'all, I got a fish on. Woo! I think it's spotted bass, but hey, we'll take him. We'll take him. Woo! Yeah, I'm just gonna keep the nose of the kayak pointed in the current and pull this fella in. I'll tell you what, he feels like a good spotted bass. A real good one. I don't think it's a big striper for sure, because if it was a striper, this drag would be peeling off. But got him on the Redi Rig. I was trolling 100 foot behind the kayak and had 20 foot of line out from the float from the Redi Rig. So we've got this guy up here. So let's see if we can bring him home, bring him to the boat. Let's see what he looks like. Whew. Gonna be a good fish. Yeah, look at there. Nice spotted bass. We'll bring him around. Oh man, I'll tell you what, this water right here is 49 degrees and he's got a pretty good pull for that. There he is. It's not happy, I'll tell you that. It's not happy at all. Let's see if we can get him in. Get into the kayak. Fat spotted bass. Fat one, fat boy. Maybe a 2.5 pounder. So yeah, good looking fish. Over time that hopefully that hook will rust out. So, but a good 2 pound, 2.5 pound bass. Beautiful bass. Blessed to catch him, blessed to let him go. And there he goes. Awesome! Whoop, whoop. So, GoPro start recording. Hey y'all, I guess I went through a pack of them. As soon as I let that one go, got a fish up under me with one of the planer boards to the right. This feels like a, wow, this is a good one. Wow. Ha ha. Well, he's pulling like a striper. I mean, he's stout. Oh, got off. Oh man, broke my heart. I guess I was pulling too hard, but that was a good fish, y'all. That was a good fish. I think it was spotted bass though. But hey, we're glad to catch him. Awesome action here. So we'll bait up and try again, maybe make a circle back through. Like I said before, those spotted bass, they travel in packs, hunting packs. They are definitely a predatory fish, and really glad to catch a few of them and get some bites, because other than that, there wouldn't be any fish in the boat today. So awesome. GoPro start recording. Hey y'all, got a fish on, or I had a hit anyhow. I think he's a fish. Uh-oh, got it off. Didn't hang up on him, but he definitely pulled on that planer board. I think I'm in that pack of spotted bass for sure. I'm running low on bait, to be honest with you. Might not have any more left, so we'll see. GoPro stop recording. Y'all, I'm getting a hit here, so let's see if he's on. There he goes. There he goes. I believe it's a spotted bass. Not pulling any drag off. So we'll see if we can keep going against the current here and get him in. Y'all, I'm out of bait. I had 2 dozen. I had a dozen blueback herring and a dozen small trout, and I'm out. I mean, this is it. This feels like a good spotted bass here. So, yeah, good fish. Fish pulling. Let's bring him around to the front and see what he looks like. Yeah, well, he's a little bit he's a smaller one, but he sure is aggressive. So let's put him in the net like that. So we'll let this guy go. He's a small one. He might make a pound. He was hungry. He was hungry. He ate a 6-inch trout. So we're glad to catch him. Blessed to catch him. Blessed to let him go. Let him grow. So here he goes. Awesome! Whoop whoop whoop! GoPro start recording. Hey y'all, I think I might have a fish on this back one here. It feels like I do. On the Redi Rig. Feels like it might be one on. Oh well. We went through a pack of spots. A pack of hungry ones. Might be on. I feel a little tug. So we'll pull him on in. I'm trying to get back to the boat ramp because I knew I was out of bait, and so I'm going to be going in with 2 empty rods, it looks like. But a lot of fun. He's coming along, making a good time. See what he looks like. Yeah, a little spot, maybe a 2-pounder, but awesome. There he is. He's not happy. He's not as happy as I am, but we'll take care of that in a minute and get him back into the water. But awesome doubles. I've had doubles and triples. Seemed like when I've gone through a school of them or a pack of them, you know, I get one after another, boom boom. So this one was trailing like I say, 100 feet from the kayak behind it. So again, he's a little bit larger than the other one, but not a whole lot. So there he is. Whoop! We'll let him go. Let him go and let him grow. Woo! That was fun, y'all. That was fun. Awesome. What a blessing to be out here on this February 15th overcast day. Fish have been active all day. They've taken all my bait, and I've caught quite a few spots. So it's a blessed day. Every day fishing, every day is a blessed day, you know, but when you're able to go fishing and catch a few fish, that's extra special. Awesome.